we have to check the product.
And see how it is, right? Right. Yeah?
We're good to go.
Right.
If you are a fan of good food and happiness, you are in the right place because this is How to Foodie Nation. And today I have a guest with me, Wendy.
Hi.
From Chow Nation, and she's going to be teaching us all about Mango Chow. So let's get dicing. Guys, this is a Chow boss, you know, a Chow expert. Wendy's the greatest from Chow Nation, and I'm very happy that you came. So thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
And I saw
Happy
you
to be here.
Thank you very much again. I saw you bought a bowl of goodness.
Yes, we have some good long mango.
Long mango, because we need to start it. If we're doing chow, we have to start with the basics. Mango chow.
Yes, yes, yes.
Definitely. So this is long mango, but what other mangoes do you like to use for your chow?
We like Julie mango. Graham is good too because it's nice and big and you can get a lot of chow out of one mango. So there's buxom.
So basically anything.
Anything.
It
Any
depends
kind
on
of
what you
mango.
like.
Yes, but Julie is our favorite.
Julie's my favorite too. But that's okay. We don't have Julie. We have the long one. So let's start with that.
Right. So
First step?
first step is we cut up mango.
Okay.
So
You feel free to demonstrate because I don't want to cut my hand. I don't want any blood in the bowl.
right. So we just simply
Peeling it.
peeling it. See how the mango is firm?
Yeah.
Right? It means that this is good. It's not too
ripe.
not too ripe. It has to be firm. It's like see no indentation, right?
Yeah.
Right. So
And we don't want a ripe mango because you get that mush that you see sometimes when people chow.
right.
Not cute.
No. Right? But mango ripes from the center.
Right.
So if you look, let's just slice it like normal. You know?
I think I know what you're about to talk about. The darkness.
You see that there? Right. That's where mango starts to ripe from the seed. So that will be a little bit sweeter
Right.
than the outside. But if it is if that yellowness reaches to the outside, it's too ripe.
Too ripe.
Too
So
ripe.
then it's too soft.
Yes, right? So there we go.
All right. We're looking proper, man. So basically, you just cut it up in whatever size you feel like.
Whatever
There's no
size.
real science to that part.
Right. I mean, you try to make it bite-sized pieces, but, you know, it's Mango Chow,
It's Mango Chow.
right?
Guys, I met Wendy in another episode when we had gone to see Cass concert.
Yes.
And she had this wine chow. Like, not gonna lie, I'd never had wine chow before, but it was so tasty. Those flavors was like in your mouth. Could not get over it. And I had to beg her. To come back on the show to show us how to do this chow.
Right.
All right, so we finished with the mango.
We finish the mango.
But of course, you know, we must quality control. You know, we have to check the product.
And see how it is, right? Right. Yeah?
But we're good to go.
Right.
What's next?
Next is we usually chop up these things or blend it. We grind it.
Right.
It's shadow benny, garlic, pimento, and hot pepper.
Okay, so that's like the seasoning.
That's
to
the
chow.
seasoning, right? It's
Right.
like the seasoning.
So that's this in here?
This in here, yes.
Okay, so
right?
can I help you?
Yes.
Let me give you assistance. How much of this am I using?
But a full one, a big full one.
A heaping one?
Yes.
How are we looking there?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Got that in there. Any more? Or we
I think
good?
we need a little more.
A little thing again?
Yeah.
Understood. How
When
about
we
that?
stir up, we'll see.
All right, cool.
Right?
So we'll start there.
Right. Then you have to put a little bit of salt.
Okay.
Because, well, there's mango chow, you need a little salt.
I mean.
A bigger pinch than that.
Gosh. As Rel hold back on the pinching, you know, my mommy said it's better to add a little bit first. Because you can't take it out.
Right. And we can always add more.
Yeah, but how's that looking? Do I need some more still?
I feel it need a little more.
There's
There's a good bit of mango in there.
Okay, sorry, boss. There we go.
Right? We add in citrus.
Okay, so this is lime.
Limes. But you can add any citrus. You could add lemon,
Orange.
orange, passion fruit.
Wait, pause.
Passion fruit.
We could put passion fruit in this.
Yes.
Why you didn't bring some passion fruit?
Yeah, but for mango, we're keeping it simple.
Okay, we keep it. We
Simple.
start with the basics.
Simple.
Sorry.
Right?
Okay.
So we're going with some lime. Right.
So a little bit of acid.
Right.
To kind of pull things together.
Right.
Cool, cool, cool. And that's just 1 lime for this amount of mangoes.
Yes.
So we had the 1 mango here and it was just 1 more before?
No, it was about 4 more before.
Well, I can't count. Okay, so this is just around 5 mangoes.
Yes, yes.
1 lime.
1 lime. Right? And some...
What next? Some of this mystery
sauce.
Mystery.
It's a pepper sauce.
I want to know about
It's a pepper sauce.
this dark mystery pepper sauce.
That's our specialty product. That's our specialty product.
So it was a secret. Well, look at that.
This is mild. This one is mild and that one is hot. So we have our mixing sauces. That one is hot.
Okay, excuse
Yeah?
us. So you brought your secret sauces here to light up people's life.
Right. And then it's for the stirring process. We ready now?
Well, let me let you mix because I don't want to throw anything out of this bowl.
Right.
And chow seems so simple,
Yes.
but I believe there's a little bit of technique and know-how involved in it. I
Yes.
mean, you could give the same person these ingredients and they could bring you some awful chow. So I had to ask our experts. I mean, come on.
Yes. Seen that there? See the
And I
difference in the color?
smell that seasoning.
All the pimento.
A very bold scent.
Yes. And you're stirring it up good,
Yeah.
right? And that will be that. You set it. Sometimes you leave it to set a little bit.
So set as in the fridge?
In the fridge,
Okay.
yeah, you leave it, let the flavors
Meld.
mellow a little bit, yes, right?
How long can this last?
Because it has lemon and the citrus in it,
Yeah.
you could go next day, it's great. Yeah?
Yeah, okay. So we keep that in the fridge too?
Yes, you keep it in the fridge. You keep it in the fridge.
Right, but it's best enjoyed
Fresh.
fresh. And if it lasts till the next day, you're real lucky.
You're real lucky. Right? I think that should
Lovely.
be that.
So that means now, of course, it's time for us to taste.
Yes, it is.
Let's get some bowls.
Yes.
So Wendy gave me something which is appropriate. The only utensil that you could use when it comes to chow, if you're not using your hands, umbrellas.
Umbrellas.
Umbrellas. I mean, we got to do this thing with class.
Fancy.
Yes?
Yes.
The smell of this chow though is excellent. It's inviting. I want to try it.
Yeah, yeah.
But
go right
after
ahead.
you, my
Right.
guest first. Oh, we going in together?
We're going in together.
Okay, no problem. I want this man on
The
top
big one.
here. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Burst of flavor. Guys, I'm not lying when I told you Wendy is a chow expert. Chow Nation, doing it right. Like, you getting all that lovely ground season that we talked about, especially
Fresh.
Shadow Benny.
Fresh.
As a Foodie Nation favorite. Love, 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 love. Love, love. It's not a good snack.
It's the national snack. Chow is the Trinbagonian national snack.
I agree with that. I agree with that.
What
You
else?
come in
Think
here,
about it. Think about it. If you think of what's a Trini snack,
chow. And we
it
love it.
represents us, yes.
Now, we did the basic mango chow, but I feel like we could level this up by doing like a combination, kind of something. What would go good with this mango?
There's mango, pineapple. There is mango, pineapple, mammy apple.
Ooh, advanced level chow now.
Advanced level chow.
Advanced level chow. So we have to do something else.
Yes.
Since you mentioned pine, you coming back to teach me how to do pine chow?
Yes, yes. Just if you
See,
insist.
guys? I have your backs. I have your backs. I mean, I just threw in a little bag there.
Yes.
So we definitely have to have you back. This was delicious.
Hey.
Thank you so much
You're
for coming.
welcome, you're welcome, you're
Guys,
welcome. Thank you for having me.
Of course, and having your back.
Yes.
Because you come back for the chow.
Yes.
The pine chow. Guys, you could check Wendy out on Chow Nation, TT on Instagram, Chow Nation on Facebook, and there's also access to an online store through Planting Seeds where you can get chow from Chow Nation. So check them out.
Delivered. Nationwide delivery.
Chow to your home. So until next time, guys, we're gonna keep eating. Bye-bye.